So one of the common issues which are faced while using a reach truck equipment is that operators are unfamiliar with using the actual controls on the equipment itself. Along with that, of course, they do have an issue with turning and maneuvering in narrow aisles, which are seen in the modern warehouses. A lot of difficulty in stacking materials on higher racks or higher shelves, as you may call it. Currently, for the Forklift equipments, the major training is done only in a classroom setting with limited exposure to the actual equipment itself. Now, this, of course, in turn relates to a lot of safety risks, including hands-on, the less hands-on experience that the operators get. Along with this will also in turn to higher training costs. So what does the Tecknotrove reach truck basically do is that it creates and allows the end users to operate and get trained in a safer environment, get familiarized to the controls, the vehicle dynamics, to get trained on how it basically feels to operate with and without loads as well. So Simulation Lab is a unified platform which brings in multiple technologies under a common platform. Now, this basically includes your e-learning modules. Now, these can be sort of customized to meet the client requirements. This can replace your standard classroom methodology, which becomes much more engaging, and the retention rate increases as well as compared to a standard classroom methodology. We can also incorporate customized VR training modules as well as a part of the simulation lab, which can be then further used to assess the operators and to train them on the operational and the service aspects as well. With the help of the actual simulators itself, which would be third and the most integral part of the simulation lab, is that they can get a hands-on experience on the actual equipment, get familiarized to the actual vehicle dynamics, the controls, and they can be equipment ready when they're placed at their respective job roles.